I don't want to study today. I feel lazy and my English feels impossible.
Again? Yesterday you said the same thing, and you studied for 10 minutes.
10 minutes felt like 1 hour. My brain just said stop. That voice is loud, but we can answer it in English.
Many learners feel lazy, tired, or stuck like this. Today, you will learn how to talk about motivation in simple English.
By the end, you can say how you feel and push yourself gently. Like, subscribe, and let's start. Just one small step.
So here is the real problem. I sit at my desk. My book is open. My phone is close. I say, I will study later.
That sentence is very common. I will study later. But later never comes.
I try to say it in English, but I say it wrong.
Wrong English. I am lazy. I no study today.
I understand you, but we can say it better. Correct English is, I feel lazy today.
I feel lazy today.
Nice, very clear.
When I say that, I feel honest, not bad.
Yes, first say how you feel, then say one small action.
I try another sentence. I don't motivation.
Almost there. Let's fix it. I don't feel motivated.
I don't feel motivated.
Exactly. That sounds natural.
When I feel like this, I want to stop.
Most people do, but we can change the sentence, not the feeling.
Change the sentence?
Yes. Listen. I don't feel motivated, but I can start small.
That sounds strong, but simple. I don't feel motivated, but I can start small.
Great rhythm.
Okay, story time. It is evening. I come home tired. I say, I will study English for 1 hour. My body says no.
That is too big. Let's show a mistake first. I must study 1 hour now.
I think that sounds angry.
Yes, and stress makes us lazy. Correct English is, I will study for 5 minutes.
5 minutes feels easy.
Exactly. Language helps your brain relax. Let's practice thought sentence. I will study for 5 minutes.
I sit down. 5 minutes pass. I feel a little better.
This is the magic moment.
I want to stop again.
Then you say another helpful sentence. I can do 5 more minutes. Simple, not scary.
I can do 5 more minutes.
Perfect. This sentence builds confidence.
Sometimes I feel lazy because I feel stupid. I say, my English is bad. I am stupid.
That is a heavy feeling. Let's say it gently in English. My English is not good yet. Not good yet. That word yet feels hopeful.
Yes, it keeps the door open. Practice it. Pause and say it with me, learners. My English is not good yet.
Excellent, warm, and honest.
When I say this, I feel lighter.
That is the goal. English should help you, not hurt you.
Another lazy moment. I open a video, but I feel bored. I say, this is boring.
Let's make it softer. You should say, I feel bored right now. Right now means it can change.
Exactly. Language shows time. I feel bored right now.
Nice stress on right now.
Then I ask myself a question. Why am I learning English?
Good question. Let's answer simply. I am learning English for my future. Big reason, simple words.
I am learning English for my future.
Great, clear and strong.
When I remember my reason, I feel energy.
Motivation comes and goes. Habits stay.
Habits sound hard.
Not with small English. Try this sentence. I study English every day, a little.
I study English every day, a little.
Perfect pace.
One more problem. I miss one day, then I stop.
Very common. Let's fix the thinking. Don't say, I failed, I stop now. That feels final. Yes, the correct one is I missed one day. I can start again.
That feels kind. I missed one day. I can start again.
Excellent. This sentence saves learners
I feel calmer now.
because you have words.
Exactly. Language gives power.
Today, we solved one big problem, feeling lazy and stuck with English. Now you can say how you feel.
And you can push yourself with small, kind sentences.
You can say, I feel lazy today. I can start small. I will study for 5 minutes.
You can also say, my English is not good yet. I can start again.
These are real-life sentences. You can use them today. Comment one sentence you will use this week. Practice it. Say it out loud.
Subscribe for more calm, confident English. You are not lazy. You are learning, and you can do it. One small step.
See you in the next video. Bye for now.
Bye-bye, learners.